Welcome to Weekend Books. In this video series, we'll explore the features of Rassasy, a powerful restaurant management app that seamlessly integrates with Weekend Books. Today, we'll start by delving into the user interface. When you open the app, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. The dashboard provides quick access to the following sections: Group, Products, Customers, POS, Reports, Tax, Loyalty, Flavor, and Invoices. In this video, we'll focus on the POS section of Rassasy. To begin, click the POS button. Once you're in the POS section, you'll notice three options on the right-hand side: Dining, Takeaway, and Car. Let's start with the dining option. Here, you can create tables. To do this, click on the Add Table button on the left side. Provide a name for the table in the box that appears and click Create. The newly created table will be displayed. When you click on a table you've created, you'll be directed to a page where you can select the items the customer at that table needs. At the top of the page, you can enter the customer's name and phone number. On the left side, you have the option to filter for vegetarian items, if needed. Below, you can see the product groups you've added, such as shakes, starters, etc. Select the desired product from these groups. We'll cover how to add products in a separate video. On the right side, you have the option to search and select products using codes, names, or descriptions. Once you've selected the desired products, the total amount will be displayed at the bottom right of the page. Click the Save button to create the order successfully. To complete the order and proceed to payment, select the table. You can also see the payment option here. Click on it. Alternatively, you can pay directly from where you saved the order. When you click the payment button, the payment page will open. Here, you can select the customer, enter the total amount, apply any discounts, and choose the payment method, whether it's a split between cash and bank. After configuring the payment, click Print and Save to generate a receipt and save the order. If you prefer not to print, simply click the Save button. If you switch to the Takeaway option, you'll find the option to create a parcel. Everything else is similar to what we did in the dining section. Payments can be made by selecting the products. Even if you choose the Car option, you'll find the same options as for takeaway, allowing you to select and process orders for car service. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore more features of the Rassasy restaurant management app.